Hey guys, so today we're going to be unboxing the Divoom Tivoo Pixel Art Bluetooth speaker. First thing I noticed is there's a bit of heft to the box, which is a good thing. And I noticed that it's really well packaged. You can tell a lot about a product by the way that it's packaged, and this is no exception. So the first time I saw this, it was in a YouTube video. So of course I looked it up and decided I should buy it. Now if I can only get this sleeve off. Hey, unboxing is not as easy as it looks. So first thing we're greeted with is the speaker itself, and as you can see it's styled as an old CRT TV, which I think is super retro and cool. On the front you've got two little knobs that are very satisfying to turn. One adjusts the pixel art or the screen, and the other adjusts the volume. At the top you've got the upward firing speaker. And at the bottom you've got 4 feet with rubber pads to prevent rattling or moving. And as you can see, I could not figure out how to get it working at first. I completely missed the manual that's located within the lid. Right there. And in the little box within the big box, you've got your charging cable and your aux audio cable. So after fidgeting about with it for a little while longer, I found the power button that's at the back that I completely missed. Voila! So really the standout feature is the 16x16 display that you've got there on the front. It's super cool. You can set it to whatever is most popular, or you can create your own designs. So there are a couple channels, if you will, that you can set it to. You've got your clock channel, lighting if you need a nightlight or some ambience. You've got the cloud channel, which displays all the most popular pixel art in the community. You've got your visualizer for your music, and then you've got a custom channel where you can add your own designs or the designs of others. So I found a nice festive channel to set it to, which is perfect for the holidays, but the one I fell in love with was this one, of a late night road trip. I guess the Tivoo is sort of like a really cool mood setter. Whether I'm working, playing games, or watching movies, I've got it sat on my desk, and it just helps to set the mood for, whatever it is I'm doing at the time. It's also a pretty decent sounding speaker with a surprising amount of bass for something this size. Anyway, that about wraps it up. Stay tuned for more unboxing videos and a couple videos on some really interesting movies. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll catch you guys in the next one.